Hello, good afternoon. This is Kavya. I run Project Utenga in Ahmedabad University. Thank you, Amol, for asking me to record this video and come live with you all. I before starting today's cooking session, I wish everyone should stay home, stay safe, and yet in this time we need to not stop being creative. So goes for the kitchen as well. Well, today I'm going to prepare two dishes. One is jolpan, and just one is sorry. One is jolpan, and another is a cheese omelette, potato omelette. Jolpan is mostly made out of flat rice, and jolpan is an Assamese word. So you must be knowing Project Utenga serves a lot of northeastern cuisine. So I felt that okay, anyways we use a lot of Amul products. So we'll show something which we make there. It's a very simple recipe. The basic funda for me to cook is that food should be very simple. It should be soulful and it should be more meaningful to you rather than fancy stuff that we see all around us nowadays. Without much delay, I shall start. So, I have flat rice. I hope the angle is okay. Hi Surekha, hi Ajish, hi Yogesh. Yeah, so I'm starting the recipe. So we have flattened rice which is soaked in water. So jolpan is basically a small cereal that we eat in Northeast. It's a very simple recipe. It's in most of these parts it's called as the sweet chira with poha basically. So you take spoons of uh, 2 spoons of flat rice soaked in water. Then I have already extracted some jaggery and now I'm going to mix it with Amul cream. So you mix jaggery and Amul cream. Meanwhile, I have some pulled apple, dried pulled apple. So I'm going to soak it in hot water for some time and we're going to use it in the recipe. So you have to mix the cream with the jaggery very well such that it is a consistent and a smooth mix. So use cream like 2 spoon of cream for half a cup of jaggery, melted jaggery, and you mix it well because this is the source of sweetness for this dish. Now you can use jaggery or you can use sugar for this. So it's very simple. You have white rice, flat rice, then you can put some layers of dry fruits, or you can use coconut or any of the seasonal food that you like. Right now I don't have much stuff and I don't want to go out for the video to buy ingredients. So I'm using dried wood apples soaked in water. So we're going to use a little bit of sugar as well because I like the sugary texture. You can use coconut along with it, but right now I don't have coconut as well. So a little bit of sugar. You can use dry fruits. And then you mix milk. And the mixture that you had already prepared. So it's basically like a parfait, like in In buffet is basically nothing but the layered cereals and cereal jars that you make. So here we have layered it only with two things. One is sugar cubes, sugar crystals, and wood apple. And you basically mix it and keep it in fridge for some time to settle, so that there's a nice smooth texture when you want to have it. So this is something which you can try at your home in the lockdown. So the next, I'm going to keep it in the fridge till we are ready with the omelette. So the next thing that I'm trying is the cheese omelette. So for that, I have 2 eggs, 3 small sized potatoes. The potatoes need to be cut into round slices. But before that, we'll mix the eggs. So when I make omelette, I don't whisk it too much, because there's a different kind of taste if you don't whisk it too much and keep the yolk as it is. It should be a little uneven in this dish, because the whole dish is about the unevenness that you're gonna taste while having the entire item. So I just kept it aside. I mix a little bit of salt for taste in the mixture, a little bit of pepper. Mix it well, and now cut the potatoes. You can also combine it with spinach if you have any kind of green leaves. Green leaves, cheese and potato is a very good combination. You can, in the cafe, we try this with spinach and potato, but since I don't have spinach, I'm gonna just make it with potato. And so our pan is ready. You can check the heat. You can use refined oil. Right now, I'm using mustard oil, because in most of the northeastern homes, you will find mostly mustard oil. So that's the only thing that I have right now. So I'm gonna use the mustard oil. It's actually very hot. And I can't open the door behind for fresh air, because the sound would not be clear otherwise. So I'm gonna Then you're gonna layer the potato in the egg. So put the pieces of potato all around. If you have spinach, you need to put it in water and put it in this stage, so that the spinach and the potato and the egg are cooked all together well. Yeah, so I think I can turn on the fan right now. So let it cook for a while. Meanwhile, I'll just check the comments. The mobile device is upside down. Oh, I'm so sorry. Just a second. Okay, so this is the potato cheese omelette. So I just read that the camera was not visible properly. So I'm just sharing the recipe once again. You take 2 eggs and 3 small size potato, and you break the eggs and you mix it. You don't mix it evenly, you keep little uneven texture to it, and then you cut the boiled potatoes into smaller pieces. As how you make normal omelette, you spread it uh, on a pan with a little 2 spoons of oil. I'm using mustard oil. And then you put the potato on top of it and let it cook for some time. So now I'm gonna I'm going to mix some chili sauce on top of it. Usually I use Sriracha, but right now I don't have Sriracha, so I'm using a brand called El Cochina. It's made in Baroda, so it's pretty nice. Then just to innovate a little more, I have chili oil. This is chili oil of Coca brand, which can like the Maggi Coca brand. You actually try innovating everything when you are in constraint. So that's the best part about cooking in constraint. It makes you more creative and you start adjusting with the ingredients that you have around you. So now I'm using 2 slices of Amul cheese and let it cook. That's your potato and cheese omelette, which you can try. It might be very helpful for a lot of youngsters who are at hostels and they're busy, and right now because of the lockdown they have to cook something for themselves. So for the beginners to try their hands on, this is a very simple recipe. And I also have some basil, so I'm gonna use a little bit basil on top of it. You can use oregano or basil or any of the scented herbs that you have at your home. The cheese potato omelette is ready. I am just presenting it with some chips and the jalpan that we had already prepared. So for the one who had missed, let me share the jalpan recipe again. It's flat rice that is soaked in water. So you take 2 spoons of the flat rice, 2 spoons of flat rice in the serving vessel that you want to use, and you mix a little bit of jaggery and cream, whisk it well, and you need some fruits or dry fruits that you're gonna layer it with. So I have used dried wood apple and sugar crystal. You can also use coconut and any other fruits of your own choice, and season, of course. We need to have seasonal food as well. So the first layer is the rice. Then you put the dried wood apple. I have used the dried wood apple or any kind of fruits that you want to use. And then on top of it, the mixed jaggery and cream. The dressing that we had made with mixed with jaggery and cream. So you put it on top of it, and you mix it, and you put apply Amul Taja milk in this. So if you like cinnamon, you can add cinnamon or clove on top of it. I'm gonna use some cinnamon powder. And yeah, your meal is ready. So yeah, that's about today's potato cheese omelette and jolpan. Be safe, stay home, and lots of love. Let's all fight together. Let's all fight this together and remain healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.